Hi, and welcome back. This is Angie Cody with eXp Realty. And today I want to talk to you about how do I continue living in my home when it's up for sale? The first thing I recommend is to start packing now. If you're not using it, just go ahead and pack it up now, because once we get an offer on your home, you're going to have to anyways. So I highly recommend just start packing all of those things that you're not using right now. Another thing that I recommend is declutter. It's a good opportunity to donate items that you're not using or haven't used in the last 10 years. So a good thing to do right now is just go ahead and start decluttering, because we don't want the buyers to focus on your things. We want them to focus on the house and being able to visualize their items in your home. Another thing that I highly recommend is to make sure your home is squeaky clean. Homes that are clean normally will sell faster and quicker, because in the buyer's mind, if the home is clean, they feel like you have taken very good care of your house. Another thing that I recommend is more than likely you will be having an open house. So if there's anything of value, make sure you either take it with you the day of the open house or hide it somewhere, because many times, there could be someone that's a little shady that might enter your home. So make sure you put all those valuable items away. The last thing I recommend, if you have children, get them involved in the process. Make a game out of it, or give them rewards for making their bed or picking up all of their toys, because it can be a stressful time on the children too, that they know that they're moving and maybe moving away from friends. So try to make it a fun game for your kids in that whole selling process. Thank you so much for watching today. Again, my name is Angie Cody with eXp Realty. If there's any real estate topics you would like me to cover in the future, please reach out to me. My contact information is right below. And thank you so much and have a great day.